我今日咧就俾啲新意思你哋玩下，咁啊睇下你哋我嘅演繹咧，你會唔會明白？咁你要話俾我聽噶噃，咁啊開始咯喎。Sometimes I learn English online. There are many different teachers. They usually the formal ways to learn English. I'm fine young male teacher. He teaches English is very interesting way. Make you remember to learn. In one of the video, he pretended to be a waiter, and the customer asked him, "Do you speak English?" Waiter replied, "I don't know speak English." 咁啦， but the whole process is answered in English. It's really hilarious. Another video teach a student how to read a sentence. Example, do you know what I am saying? He said, Americans don't say it like that. They are say it like Nam saying. Americans like to shorten a long sentence. It would become Lam saying. He knows safe makes English. Interpretation in Hong Kong's block language. And a funny way, multifaceted thinking. He told netizens, "You will learn grammar without realizing it." I'm looking for advice for him. He is a popular teacher. Recently, releases a film with international film star Daniel. Film name Double Teacher Oral Course. He dropped, but is serious. He said Daniel doesn't teach English as well as I do. It became he has 20 years of English experience. Does anyone know who he is? Please leave me a message. Finish. Thank you.